Let's check out the 2026 Renegade XL bunk bed floor plan storage compartment options. So in this front bay, you'll notice that we elected to do the bed liner compartments, making everything easy to clean and wipe out. And they have a Dometic freezer fridge on a slide out tray, which is a nice option when you have additional drinks, food to store, as well as when you're outside entertaining. You can easily be slid out of the way for travel. In the next compartment, you'll find the standard 600 Aqua Hot in the XL. We did the Blackout package, so this coach has the Renegade black wheels. In the rear of the coach, you'll find the upgraded 3/4 pass-through, where it has additional room for storage and electrical outlet. And in the rear compartment, you'll find all of your components for your central vac system. Nice feature on the Blackout package. Instead of the chrome inlay, you now have the black detail in the inlay of the rear of the coach. An upgraded option, a new option here for 2026. They now offer a black branded Renegade mud flap. So come around the rear of the coach. This towing capacity of this coach is up to 40,000 pounds. We'll take a look at the driver's side of the coach. This is going to have more of your mechanical systems here. You've got a 12K diesel Element generator, your electric cord reel with power retract cord. Again, the black Renegade wheels. New feature on Renegade models for 2026, they now offer electronic dump valves as a standard feature. You're going to have your black and gray tanks on this side. Standard lithium batteries with inverters in this compartment, as well as your truck batteries. So most of the driver's side is going to be your mechanical features. However, there's still quite a bit of storage in this Renegade XL. So on this coach, you're going to have two large Girard 2-stage awnings, offering a lot of shade under the passenger side of the coach. With this floor plan being 3 slides with the bunk beds, you still have a lot of outdoor entertainment area under the awning, not blocked by a slide out, which is nice when you're entertaining. So we've stepped inside the 26 Renegade XL bunk bed floor plan. So you can see the captain's chairs turn around to swivel for additional seating. In the bunk bed floor plan, you're going to have a front entry, so your entertainment center is going to be over the door. Large kitchen worktop with multiple options for the large farm style sinks. So you've got a cutting board, drying rack, strainer. We continue the cutting board tops with the inset cooktop as well, which is nice. Instead of just counter cover, you can use it as a workspace as well. So in this floor plan, you're going to have a dinette, which is not convertible in the XL because they use Quartz countertops, making the table unable to go down, but you do have a large sleeper sofa. This floor plan, the XBBC, is going to have the most sleeping options, being able to sleep 2 on the sofa, 2 in the bunk beds, and 2 in the rear. Sleeping a total of 6, this floor plan offers the largest sleeping arrangements for an XL model. Now, another nice feature with the XL is you're going to have upgraded appliances. So you're going to see the black stainless Samsung Showcase appliances in this coach. So it's got the digital front, which connects to Wi-Fi for your calendar and things. These double doors are a nice feature because not only does it open to the full capacity, but you can also open to have a water fill station or just access the front part of the fridge here. But then you still have all of the storage, double drawer freezers. Just a nice added touch in the XL. Just another luxury feature that sets it apart from the others. This floor plan, you're going to have the option for a washer and dryer in the mid here. It also has a large pantry with pull-out drawers for tons of added storage. This floor plan has the bunk beds, as well as added storage in the hallway. So tons of storage before you even get to the rear bedroom in this coach. So this large expanded wardrobe, we chose to do the cedar lining. Personal preference, some people prefer it, some people could care less, but it does add an upgraded feature that's available if that is what you choose. This expanded wardrobe also opens with a push of a couple buttons here behind the TV to allow extra access to your hanging clothes. In addition to the storage doors and drawers down below. So as we work back into the rear bedroom, there is a pocket door that separates the bunks from the rear bedroom that can be slid across very easily, added privacy. So in the Renegade XL, you're gonna have the same mini king, as Renegade names it, bed in the rear bedroom. But with the 2 slides, there's lots of room to walk around the bed into your large luxury bathroom. In the XL, you'll find a rear lighted mirror, upgraded tile shower, large full body sprayer, tile accent with a teak seat, updated vanity for additional storage, and then the door that closes off for privacy as well.
Now we'll take a look at the outside once again. On the driver's side, you've got your living room slide and bedroom slide. But as you can see, while they are still out, you can still access your mechanical compartments under the coach. This coach is available at Freightliner Motorsports, and we'd love to talk to you about it more. Give us a call today, 800-222-4004.